Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to add search links on Blog Sidebar. So first of all, we can go here and click on Dashboard, and after that scroll down, then click on Layout. Scroll down, and here you can see this one is the sidebar. Click on Add a Gadget, and here you can see these are the different gadgets that you can easily add. Then click on Link List. Here we can give a title, for example, search links. Then maximum number of items, let me select 40. Then scroll down and click on add new item. Now let me scroll down, and here I can copy this link and add here. Then add the text, click on save, then add new item. Now I can copy this text. Let me scroll down, add here, then copy link address and add here. Save it, then again click on save. Now here we can go and view the blog. Now here you can see links are added.